بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفداء أما بعد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وأجل فرجهم. Right, I'm going to ask Sister Razia with lesson number 9 we are on actually. Correct? Lesson number 9.
Okay.
Correct, Sister Razia?
Yeah. Yes.
I'm going to ask yourself to do this lesson with our dear sister, Sister Zainab.
Okay. Are we just reading and translating, or we
Yes,
are
reading and translating. So because we had a break last week, so for this reason, I'm going to go through the lesson so that we recap what we have covered before.
Okay.
Okay.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. دخل المدرس الفصل ووجد فيه 15 طالبا فقط فقال لهم أين الطلاب الجدد الخمسة الذين جاءوا أمس. The teacher entered the class and saw 15 students only, and he said to them, where are the new students? Where are the 5 new students who came yesterday? قال عبد الله حضروا اليوم وخرجوا قبل قليل. Abdullah said they were here today and then left just a while ago. أظن أنهم ذهبوا إلى المدير. I think they have gone to the head teacher.
Excellent.
رجع الطلاب الخمسة بعد قليل. The 5 students came back after a while. فقال لهم المدرس. The teacher said to them, إلى المدير ذهبتم يا أبنائي. Did you, my boys, go to the head teacher? قالوا نعم ذهبنا إليه لأننا ما وجدنا أسماءنا في القائمة. Yes, we went to him because our names were not there in the register. So now, جلس المدرس وقال, the teacher said and said, أقرأتم درس الأمس يا أبنائي. Did you read the lesson yesterday, or my boys? قال الطلاب.
Or my sons.
Or my sons, yeah. قال الطلاب. The students said, نعم قرأناه وكتبناه وحفظناه.
Excellent.
Yes. Okay. Yes, we read it and we wrote it. And we memorized it.
And the last sentence, وقال المدرس.
قال المدرس أفهمتموه. The teacher said, did you understand it? قالوا نعم فهمناه جيدا. Yes, we understood it very well.
Excellent.
ما أسهل هذا الدرس. What an easy lesson this
Excellent.
was.
Yes.
Okay.
Brilliant. Thank you, Sister Zainab. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Can you read the next paragraph?
وعليكم السلام. Yeah. قال عبد الرحمن أنا ما فهمت فيه 3 كلمات. So Abdul Rahman said, I'm going to try with the translation. I don't know if I'm going to be very accurate though. So Abdul Rahman said, I understood 3 كلمات, 3 words.
Correct.
قال مدرس ما هي. قال ما. So the teacher said, what are they? قال عبد الرحمن قرآن في الدرس هذه جملة. عبد الرحمن said Quran in this lesson.
No, قرأنا, we read in this lesson. Not Quran, we read.
Oh,
قرأ يقرأ. Yeah,
قرأنا.
we read,
Okay.
yeah.
So we read. Okay. We read in this lesson. عاد جدي من الخرطوم.
My
جدي
Ada,
means
so
my
Ada
father.
يعود means to return. So my
Okay.
grandfather returned.
From Khartoum.
Khartoum is a city of Sudan, capital.
Okay. خرطوم. Okay. فما معنى هذه الكلمات الثلاثة? What is the meaning of the third word?
3 words, yes.
The 3 words. قال مدرس عاد معناها رجع، والجد معناها أبو الأب أو أبو العم، والخرطوم عاصمة السودان. أفهمت؟ قال عبد الرحمن الآن فهمت. The teacher said Ada means came, Raja returning. Waljad means the father of your dad or father of your mom. Al Khartoum is the is in Sudan. Do you understand?
No, Asimatun means capital. Asimatun means capital.
Okay, my bad. Capital of Sudan. أفهمت? Do you understand? قال عبد الرحمن. عبد الرحمن said yes, I understand now. ثم فتح المدرس كتابه وقرأ درسا جديدا. Then the teacher opened the book and read the new chapter. خلق الله الشمس والقمر والنجوم والأرض والبحار. Allah created the sun, the moon, the stars, the ground, and the seas. وخلق كل شيء and created everything. وخلق الإنسان من طين and created humans. ثم قام وكتب هذا الدرس على السبورة. Then he wrote this lesson on the board.
ثم قام, then he stood and he wrote yes. قام يقوم, he stood, correct?
And then he wrote the lesson on the board.
Right, but a quick question, Susanna. Apart from Arabic, which other language do you speak?
I speak Urdu and I speak Gujarati.
Okay. And have you studied the Hausa as well?
No.
Okay, mashallah. The reason why, because your accent itself is really good. That's the reason why I asked this question.
I'm actually born and brought up in Dubai. Maybe that's why.
Yes, makes sense. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the reason. Brilliant. Thank you very much for that. Much appreciated. Let me bring Sister Gulshan. Sister Gulshan, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Bismillah, Sister Gulshan. Rafa'a Muhammadun yadahu.
Okay. I have not revised, but I'm trying.
No problem. You're very good.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rafa'a Muhammadan yadahu wa qala ma ma'ana tini ya ustadu. O teacher. Rafa'a Muhammadun yadahu.
Rafa'a yarfa means to raise, sorry.
Muhammad raised his hand and said, ma'ani. I don't know the meaning.
Yeah, and ma means what? What is the meaning of the word?
What is the meaning of the teen?
Yep.
Okay. Ya Ustad, what is the meaning of the teen? Oh, my teacher. Kala Mudarrisu. Mudarrisu said, At-teenu ma'anahu. At-turabu muktalitu bil-mai. Teen is the mud mixed with the water.
Excellent.
Okay. Rafa Faisalu yadahu. Then Faisal raised his hand. Faqala lahul mudarrisu. And then the teacher said, O izuka, indaka sualun ya Faisalu. Indaka means do you know?
No, indaka sualun ya Faisal. Do you have a question, O Faisal?
Okay, do you have a question, O Faisal? Kala Faisal. Faisal said, Naam, yes. Indi sualun. Yes, I have one question. Al-Biharu Jamaul Bahri. Al-Biharu, that means the sea water, isn't it?
Ocean. Al-Bahr
Ocean,
is
okay.
ocean, yeah.
Ocean.
Al-Biharu Jamu Bahar.
Ocean water mixed with
No, no,
ocean.
no. So now I'm in the soal. Al-Bihar, Jamul Bihar. Is Al-Bihar the plural of Bahar? قال
Okay.
المدرس. So the teacher said, نعم وكذلك. It is
The
like,
teacher said, Naam, huwa kazalika.
yeah.
Naam, yes. Huwa kazalika. Yes, it is. Kamal Hasanu wa qala ma jam'u asma'i ya ustadu. Then Hassan said,
No, Qama Muhammad. Then Hassan stood.
okay, Kama means stood. Okay, then Hassan stood and said, Ma jam'u. No, the mixed asma. Asma means
Jam'u Sama. What is the plural of As-Sama?
okay. What is the plural of asma? Ya ustadu. Kala Mudarisu, the teacher said, Jama'uha as-samawatu. The plural of asma is samawat.
Excellent.
Okay.
Jazakallah,
Summa
thank you. Let me bring sister, the next sister, and then inshallah I'll bring you back on.
Okay.
Sister Farida, can you kindly read the next paragraph, please? قال ثم سأل المدرس الطلاب إن عدة أسئلة.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Okay. ثم سأل المدرس طلاب عدة أسئلة.
So the as'ila is the plural of the word su'al. Su'al means question, and as'ila is the plural.
Okay. So the question asked by the several students, several questions were asked the students. So al-mudarisu, okay, sorry, I'm kind of mixing up. The teacher asked the students the questions.
Correct.
Al-mudarisu, man khalaqa ya Ibrahim? Who created you, O Ibrahim?
Excellent.
Ibrahimu khalaqni lahu. My Allah created me.
No, Allah khalaqani, ni means me. Allah
Me.
created me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Al-mudarisu, man khalaqakum ya abna'i? Who created you all, my sons? And all of them said, Al-Jama khalaqna Allahu. Allah created us. Al-Mudarisu. Man khalaqni ya Abbasu? Ya Abbas. So who created me? O Abbas? And Abbas replied, Khalaqallahu. Allah created you. Al-Mudarisu. Man khalaqa shamsha ya Abdullahi? Who created the sun? And Abdullahi said, Khalaqahallahu. Allah creaed sun. And Al-Mudarisu. Waman khalaqal kamara ya Abdurrahman? Who created the moon? Ya Abdullah Rahman? And he replied, Khalaqallahu. Allah created the moon.
Excellent.
Al-Mudarisu. Waman khalaqal nujuma ya Ahmadu? Who created the stars? And Ahmad replied, Khalaqallahu. Allah created the stars. And then Yaqub said, Ya Ustazu, Indi Suwalun. I have a question which is not for this subject, which is not related to this subject.
Right.
Indi Suwalu laysat lahu alaqatun ya darsi. Which is not related to this question. And
Alaqa is connected or related to the lesson.
Yeah. And Mudarrisu, he said, Ma huwa, what is it? And then he said, Yaqub said, Qara'tu fil kitabin an-nujumi abdu
في كتاب أن النجوم أبعد
min ash-shamsi.
Mhm.
So the translation, I have read in the book that that the stars
Correct.
and the sun.
No. The stars of Abado is superlative degree, meaning further away.
Oh, further away. Okay. An-nujumi
From the sun.
Abdu min
Yeah.
shamsi
Abado.
abadu from the sun. The
Correct.
stars are far from the sun. Asahihun.
Asahihun.
Is it true?
Yep.
And Al-Mudarrisu replied, Naam, haza sahihun. Yes, it is true. Mim khalaqallahu al-insana ya Usmanu.
Excellent. Jazakallah. Translate this and I'll get Sister Parveen Razai to read the next.
Okay, so the translation would be, is it true? Yes, it is true. And man khalaqa.
Mimma, and it's been minma. From what? Mimma. From what Allah created?
Usman, in the sky.
No, insan is human beings.
Oh, insan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, Usman. Correct.
Insan. Yeah.
Jazakallah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sister Parveen Razai, Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum.
شما میری امسال در ایران؟
انشالله آره.
کی میری انشالله؟ بعد از 1 ماه یا 2 ماه؟
نه 2 هفته دیگه.
انشالله.
انشالله آره.
بسم الله. رفع محمد.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رفع محمد يده وقال. رفع means
raise. Muhammad raised his hand.
Muhammad raised his hand. ما معنا.
Sorry, my mistake.
Are we on the next page?
Sorry, this page here. Let me just get you the right page. This page here. Osman, خلق الإنسان من طين. From here.
عثمان خلق الإنسان من طين. Allah created humans من طين. Teen means
Mud.
Yep.
Okay. المدرس أحسنت يا عثمان. Well done يا عثمان. ومما خلق الله الجان يا أبا بكر. وممن and Allah credit
from what
is a jinnat, yeah
from what did Allah create the jinn from? Abu Bakr.
Abu Bakr. خلق الله الجان من نار. Allah created the jinn from nar means what do you say? Nar, it's a atish.
Fire.
كيف عرفت ذلك يا أبا بكر? I don't know about this.
How do you know that, Abu Bakr?
عرفت ذلك من القرآن الكريم. I understand that one from Quran. فجاء في سورة الأعراف أن إبليس. And this one from Surah Al-Ahraf from Iblis. قال الله أنا خير منه خلقتني من نار وخلقته من طين. Allah say أنا خير منه خلقتني من نار وخلقته من طين. I don't know the translation of this.
Okay.
I know, but I understand, but I can't.
No, that's fine. Arafto that, so Arafto means I know that
I know.
from the Holy Quran.
Yeah,
Faja'a,
this one is understand.
yeah. So
It's for
Faja'a means
Surah
it came. Ja'a
from Surah
yaji'u means
Al-Araf.
it came. What came? فجاء في سورة الأعراف أن إبليس. It came in Surah A'raf. Anna means that Iblis
From Iblis, yeah.
قال لله, he said to Allah, أنا خير
منه خلقتني من نار وخلقته من طين. This one. Okay.
I am better than him. خلقتني, you created me. من نار, from fire.
What? Yeah.
وخلقته, and you created him. This has Adam alayhi salam من طين, from
من طين. Oh.
from mud.
What? Muhammad, yeah. المدرس. أحسن يا أبا بكر. Well done يا أبا بكر. كم سماء خلق الله يا عبد الله. How many skies Allah created Abdullah? Abdullah خلق الله سبع سماوات. Allah created 7 skies. المدرس. وفي كم يوم خلق الله السماوات والأرض يا عبد الرحمن. And from how many days Allah created the samawati wal arz, the skies and earth. عبد الرحمن خلق الله السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام. Abdul Rahman said Allah created earth and والأرض في 6 أيام from 6 days.
Yeah.
6 days. المدرس هذا صحيح. This is right. قال الله تعالى في كثير من آيات إنه خلق 7 السماوات. Allah said many of ayahs I created 7 السماوات. I created the
Allah created.
Allah created 7 السماوات. خلق الله.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created 7 heavens.
7 heavens. فقال في سورة الطلاق, and he is from Surah Talaq.
Allah said, so فقال, he said, meaning Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has, قال means said in Surah Talaq, الله الذي
خلق 7 سماوات.
Excellent.
وكذلك قال في كثير من آياتي إنه خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام.
Excellent. And similarly or likewise, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned in Surah
Al-Hadid. هو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام.
Excellent. Excellent. He who created the heavens and the earth in
7 days. 6 days.
Yeah.
في هذه اللحظة رن الجرس فخرج المدرس من الفصل.
Excellent.
في هذا and
لحظة means
لحظة means
في هذا at that time or at that moment. في هذا at that moment رن الجرس, the bell rang.
The bell rang and the mudarris exit from class.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Right. I'm going to ask Sister Razia to come on the mic, please, and let's start the exercises, please. Bismillah.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yeah. أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية. كم طالبا وجد المدرس في الفصل؟ how many students did the teacher see in the class? Shall I get the answer also from the
Yep.
story?
Yes, please. So that's the whole
yes.
point of this exercise.
وجد المدرس 15 طالبا في الفصل. لما ذهب الطلاب الجدد إلى المدير؟ ذهب الطلاب الجدد إلى المدير لأننا ما وجدنا أسماء not أنا ما they did not see ما وجدوا أسماء في القائمة. Is that okay?
Yeah.
من خلقنا? Who created us? Allah. Allah خلقنا. الله خلقنا. من خلق?
Yeah. So man khalaqana, Allahu khalaqana. Correct.
من خلق القمر؟ الله خلق القمر. من خلق?
Or you could say Allah. If you want to use a pronoun to refer back to the qamar, you could say Allahu. Allah created it. How do you say that?
من خلقه. Because qamar is masculine.
Yeah,
and
qamar is masculine. So you khalaqa Allahu.
من خلقه. Allah خلقه.
Correct.
من خلق الشمس؟ الله خلقها.
Excellent.
من خلق النجوم؟ الله خلقهم.
No, النجوم is plural, and all plurals of غير عاقل are treated as feminine. So Allahu khalaqaha.
Yes. مما خلق الله الإنسان. خلق الله الإنسان من طين. مما خلق الله الجان. خلق الله الجان من fire. من نار. Sorry. It's just there, but I forget. مما خلق الله الجان. كم سماء خلق الله. خلق الله سماوات ست سماوات. سبع سماوات. خلق الله 7 سماوات. في كم يوم خلق الله السماوات والأرض؟ خلق الله السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام.
Excellent. That's really good. Now I'm going to bring Sister. Who should I bring? I'm going to bring Sister Shireen. I think is this a Shireen from America or from Dubai? Because there's 2 Sisters Shireen I know.
Sorry, Jack, did you get my lecture when I sent you? You said you wanted audio.
Yes, I did. Jazakallah. Thank you.
You did, eh? Okay.
Yes.
Fine.
So in the exercise 2, okay, Sister Farida, exercise 2. Ana khairun.
Sheikh, I don't understand. What do I have to do here?
Okay, so what's happening here? In this ayah, it says, Ana khairun minhu, khalaqtani min narin, wa khalaqta min tinin. Who said this? So this is the ayah. So what's happening? This is a comprehension exercise. So this is the ayah of the Quran. Ana khairun, I am better than him. Khalaqtani, you created me from fire. Wa khalaqtahu min tin. It's taken from the passage from the lesson, and now it's asking you, Man qala hada? Who said this? Ana khairun minhu.
Oh, okay. Who said this? One of the students said that.
No. Ana.
It is from the Quran, isn't it?
Yes,
from the
it's
ayah
from
of the Quran.
But Shaitan said it. Qala iblisu hada. You can say Qala iblisu hada ana khairun minhu. I am better than Hazrat Adam because you created me from fire.
Oh, okay. So these 3 are the answers there. Number 1, number 2. Who said that? Iblis, yeah.
Yeah, these are questions related to this verse of the Quran.
I see. Okay. So Man kala haza. Iblis said that. And
It's
then
not Iblis said
Waliman
that. Iblis, Ala Iblis hada.
haza. Okay.
Ala Iblis hada. Iblis said this. Correct.
Yeah. And then number 2 is Waliman. He said, to whom did he say? He said it to Allah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. And then number 3 is Man Ayu
Min
Surata.
ayyi suratan hadil ayah. From which surah is this from?
Is from Surah Araf.
So it is mentioned
Ayat.
Surah A'raf,
Okay.
correct.
Araf, yeah.
Surah Al-A'raf, correct. Brilliant.
Okay, so
Next exercise 3, then I'll bring Sister Zainab after that. Bismillah, do
okay,
exercise
so
3. So it says
number
here, mark the
3,
correct
yeah.
statement with the tick and incorrect with the X. Bismillah.
Okay. At-tulabu jududu khamsata ashra. Is 15 new students. No, it's incorrect actually.
So the correct
There were
answer
only
was
5 new students.
Ahsanti, brilliant.
Yeah.
الطلاب
then
الجدد
number-
الخمسة الذي جاءوا أمس, correct.
Yeah. Number 2 is Abdul Rahmani ma fahima ma'ana salasa kalimatu. He did not understand this. Who did not understand? Yeah, it is correct actually. It is Abdul Rahman who did not understand these 3 words. And number 3 is Sa'ala Faisalun Mudarrisa. Faisal asked the teacher,
Excellent.
Ma jam'u samai. No, it's incorrect actually. Hassan asked that, not Faisal.
Okay.
Yeah. And then the last one is Katabal Mudarrasu Darsa alal Suburati. Kataba. The teacher wrote on the blackboard.
Yeah, wrote the lesson on the blackboard.
On the blackboard. Yes, he did right.
Excellent,
Yes.
brilliant.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Give me the meaning of the words. Okay, that's easy. I'm not going to do exercise 4. Exercise, okay. Right, let's start exercise 5. Sister Zainab, Bismillah. So, Asimatu Sudani al-Khurtum. The capital of Sudan is al-Khurtum. The capital of Baghdad. Unmute yourself, Sister Zainab.
Oh, sorry. The capital, Asimatu Iraq, Baghdad.
Yep, correct. Next one.
This is testing my geography. So عاصمة المملكة العربية السعودية الرياض.
Correct.
عاصمة اليمن سنة.
Correct.
عاصمة مصر كايرو.
القاهرة. Misra al-Qahirah. Correct. Right, exercise 6 I'm not going to do because it's pointless, that exercise. What is next? Read the examples and the sounds from an applause. Okay, this exercise is important. So what's happening here? Read the examples and then read the words in the sound feminine plural with the correct endings. So here, you will see here, رأيت, so Bismillah, Sister Bismillah, read, رأيت سيارة. What does that mean?
سيارة means car.
So translate, what when you say رأيت سيارة, how would you translate that in English?
I'm not sure.
رأى يرى. So the word رؤية. So من رآني, من يموت يراني. So the word رأيت means I saw. رأيت سيارة means I saw one car. Okay.
I saw a car.
Yeah, so سيارة, whenever there's a ta marbuta, normally that noun is going to be singular. And when it has an alif and a flat ta, it's the plural. So this word here now is the plural of sayaratun. So no, here sayaratan is singular. It has a fatha tanween, correct? Sayaratan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Over here now, ra'aytu, how would you read this now? I saw cars.
رأيت سيارات.
Sayyara. What harakat you will give on the ta?
سيارات. رأيت سيارات. تا.
Are you asking me or are you guessing?
Both.
Okay. Yeah. Should we hear Sister Razia? What will be the answer, please?
رأيت سيارات.
Why is it رأيت سيارات with a kasra tanween? Why can it not be سيارات?
No, because these are not sound plurals. سيارات. This is feminine. Jam'un.
Yes.
Sayyar.
This is sound feminine plural. And the sound feminine plural, when it comes as an object, it doesn't take a fatha tanween like sayyaratan. Instead of
because
fatha tanween, it takes a
it's
kasra.
I saw cars.
Yeah, so this is the reason, so Zainab, it's sayyaratin because it's jama muannas salim. And jama muannas salim, it ends with alif and flat ta. Whenever there's alif and flat ta and it comes as an object of a verb, it takes a kasra tanween. Bismillah, the next one, ba, Sister Zainab.
سألت المديرة الطالبة. سألت means asked.
Yep, who asked?
The
The female manager.
So the teachers, the female manager, the manager asked the students.
Yeah, the female, the female or mistress or the manageress asked the student. Oh, sorry, you could be an admin as well. The admin asked the female student. So at-talibata, it's singular, ta marbuta. And then if it's students, female students, how would you ask that question? How would you say that in Arabic? سألت
المديرة الطالبات. So the manager asked the female students.
Now, why is it a talibati now? Not why can't we not say talibatin with a kasra tanween? Why is it a talibati with one kasra? You could ask any of your friends in the class.
Yeah, can I help you?
Is it because it's like present tense? Does it have to do something with the tense?
What does alif lam do?
It's because
alif lam shows that it's a noun.
Exactly.
So it is.
So because it's a noun, it has a okay.
Yeah. So because it is alif lam, any noun with alif lam, it makes the noun definite. So when you see the noun will not have any tanween. It will have only like dhamma, fatha, or kasra. And when it's indefinite, when you say student, a student, or and they're not known, then you read it with a kasra like sayyaratin. I saw cars. When you saw cars, it could be a Jeep, it could be a Lamborghini, it could be a Porsche, or it could be the limousine itself. You're not you're not specifying the cars. You saw cars, various cars. So when you say the alif lam, the cars, then it becomes definite. And whenever a noun comes definite, for example, the best example is we say alhamdu. We say alif lam, alhamdu. We don't read hamdun or hamdan or hamdin. It's alhamdu because of alif lam. Same issue is happening here. So sa'alat al-mudiratu at-talibat. Is that okay?
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay, Jim.
I think you like scroll down on your screen.
Sorry. There you go.
Okay.
Qara'tu
mujallata. Mujallata means the chapter. No, doesn't mean chapter.
Qara'tu al-majalla means magazine.
So قرأت مجلة. He read the magazine. قرأت مجلات. He read the magazines.
I. قرأت.
Oh, قرأت. Okay, that's okay. So because of the dhamma, it'd be I. Okay.
Excellent.
Next one.
Yes, please.
خلق الله الشمس والقمر والنجوم والبحار والأرض والسماوات. Allah created the sun, the moon, the stars, the seas, the ground, the earth, and the skies.
Excellent.
Am I doing the plural for this, or am I?
Yeah, I
correcting
want you to do
somebody?
the first three, and then I'll bring someone else on the mic.
Okay. سأل الأب الأبناء والبنات. The father asked his sons and his daughters.
So sa'al al-abu al-abna. So what harakat are you going to give this word al-abna? Is it al-abna? Hamza itself, what harakat are you going to give? So sa'ala is the verb. In a sentence, when it's a verbal sentence, what are the three pillars of a verbal sentence? You have a verb.
A noun.
And so verb is a noun. Sorry, a verb,
Okay.
a doer, fa'il. So al-abu is a fa'il, meaning the doer of the action. What else do you require? Object.
The object, okay.
Yeah. So as you say, fi'il, fa'il, and maf'ul. Fi'il, fa'il, and maf'ul. So al-abna and al-banat is the maf'ul, the object who the father asked, but you need to give the correct harakat now.
Okay. سأل الأب أبناء. It's going to be a
Excellent.
fatha.
Correct.
والبنات.
Well, why is it banati? Why can't you say banata?
Because it has an alif, which shows that it's a noun.
No.
No. Think of the word. What was talking about sound mass. This exercise is about the sound masculine plural, female plurals. So what is the singular of banat?
Bint.
Exactly. So when you have the alif and the ta at the end, so this, what type of plural is this? Because in the Arabic language, there are three types of plural. Do you remember them? No? Okay, in the Arabic language, you have, inshallah, I'll send you some details across to you. So you have the broken plural. So the broken plural is like the word kitabun. And what's the plural of kitabun?
Kutub.
Kutub, exactly. So kitab is the plural is kutub. So a broken plural is that the singular noun breaks in its plural. It doesn't remain the same as a broken plural. And in Arabic, we call it jama mukassar. And then we have the sound masculine plural. So the sound masculine plural, sound meaning safe, masculine male, plural meaning plural. So what happens is that the singular word is not broken in its plural. It remains safe. It does not change. But the only thing happens, you add a few letters at the end to make it plural. So the sound masculine plural normally ends with waw
And
noon. So the word, like the word Muslimun and what's the plural of Muslim?
Muslimun.
Again, exactly. Muslimun, Muslimuna. And the sound feminine plural of Muslimatun is
Muslimatun.
Ahsanti. Excellent. So where is it gone? Sa'al al-abu al-abna'a wal-banati, which was correct. The harakat you gave was correct.
Okay.
Okay. And the last one, number 3.
كتبت هذه الكلمات.
Kalimat what? Ta, ti, tu, which one?
كلماتي.
Excellent. So why is it هذه الكلمات?
So هذه is feminine.
Yep.
And al-kalimati because it has an alif and it ends with alif and ta.
Alif and ta. And why is it with a kasra? What position does this word hadir? I wrote these words. So what position does it have in the sentence?
The object?
Exactly. So I'm doing the writing and this is the object. Exactly.
Yes. Okay.
Brilliant. Sorry to put you on the spot, but this is good. It's quite good for you.
Yeah, thank you. That helps.
Brilliant. Okay, let's bring sister who's next? Sister Farida. Let's do 4, 5, and 6, and then I'll bring
Okay.
Sister Parveen Razai. Bismillah.
Okay. رأيت الطباء
Al-atibba'a. Ra'aytul atibba'a.
والطباء والطيبات. It will be because it's
Wat-tabibati. Wat-tabibati.
bati. Okay,
Correct.
so I saw the female doctors
No, I saw the male doctors, then the female doctors.
and the female doctors. Okay,
Correct.
so it will be atibati.
Atibba'a. Ra'aytul atibba'a.
Ba-
Wat-tabibati.
Atibati. Atibati. Okay, so I will go to number 5.
Mhm.
Gasala waladu sayarata.
Excellent.
So sayarata,
Correct.
yeah, and gasala. So he washed
The boy
the
washed.
car,
The boy washed the
Yeah.
car. Excellent.
yeah, and then gasala waladu sayarati.
MashaAllah.
So that will be sayarati because
Correct.
of the object. Yeah,
Correct.
Yeah.
The boy washed
the boy washed
the cars.
The cars. Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you. Sister
Okay.
Parveen Razai. Haft, hasht, no. Seta.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أخذت الريالات يا بني.
Excellent. Did you take?
Did you take the monies, all my son?
Yep. Correct. Next one.
سأل بلاء زملائي.
No, if it was a Bilal, then it's going to be a problem. Bilalun. Sa'ala Bilal.
Oh, سأل بلال زملائي.
Zumala'ahu. Zumala'ahu.
زملاء.
So Zamilun is singular. Zumala'un is plural. So Bilal asked his.
colleagues.
Excellent. Ahsanti. Number 9.
سألت زينب زميلات.
No, it is Zamil. This is Zamilatu. So the word is Zamilatun, singular,
زميلات.
and this is plural.
زميلات.
Zamilatiha.
زميلاتها.
Yeah, so Zamilatun with the time marbuta is her colleague. Zamilatun is colleague, and Zamilatuha, her colleagues, plural.
colleagues. Okay.
Yeah.
قرأت الكتب والصحف والمجلات.
قرأت الكتب والصحف والمجلات.
مجلاتي.
Excellent. والمجلات.
مجلاتي. Should I continue?
Let me bring Sister Gulshan now. Jazakallah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. رأيت إخوة حامد وأخواتين.
Correct. So I saw.
Ikhwata, my brother.
So Ikhwatu Hamid. I saw Hamid's brother.
Hamid's brother and Hamid's sister.
Excellent.
Qara'ana hazihi safahat. Qara'ana. I read.
No,
Hazihi, I read
nahnu,
this.
nahnu.
Nahnu. We read this safahat means page.
Safhatun means page, and Safhat is these pages.
Pages. Yeah,
Excellent.
I read. We read these pages.
Yeah, we read these pages. Excellent. Excellent. 9, 10. Okay, the rest of the exercise is not there, but I'm gonna go through. The most important exercise was the one which we did just done now, but the next one I'm gonna do is I want you to read these sentences. This one here.
Alan kharajta. Is that
Yeah.
right?
So so when you're adding, there's a sentence with al and there's hamzatul istifham in the beginning, then it becomes al-bihar is al-bahar, al becomes al, it becomes prolonged. So, but of course, I'm not going to practice. I just want you to read these sentences just to see if you can translate these sentences. It's a Gulshan. Go ahead. Al-an. It's a Gulshan. Unmute yourself.
Okay, sorry. Al-ana kharajta. I left just
No.
now.
You left now. Al-an
You
kharajta.
left.
Yeah.
You left now. Okay.
Correct. Al-yawm.
Al-yawma raja'a abuka min Damashqa.
Yep.
My father.
No.
Your
Raja.
father. Your father. Raja. Your father went.
No. Raja returned.
Return. Okay. Your father returned today from Damashq.
Correct.
Al-mudarrisu marizun. The teacher is sick.
Correct.
Al-mudiru qala hakaza. The admin, that means headmaster, is
He said like this. Hakada. He said it like this.
Okay, the headmaster said this. At-talibu jadidu kasara hazal kursiya. At-talibu, the student.
Yep.
The new student broke this chair.
Excellent.
Okay. Hazat talibu zarabaka. This student hit you. Zarabaka means you. This student hit you. Okay.
Excellent. Brilliant. Okay, so whenever you ask this question, man khalaqaka, khalaqani Allah. So remember this ni, and this ya is coming, which means me. Allah created me. Man dharabaka, who hit you? Man sa'alaka hadha su'al, who asked this question? Araka al-mudarrisa fil masjid, did you see the teacher in the masjid? Right, Sister Jazakallah, thank you. Sister Razia, can you do exercise 12? Just these 4 particles which are added with ma. Min ma, bima, lima, and anma.
Okay. Shall I read the sentences?
Yes,
Mimma
please.
khalaqahu al-insan. Mimma, yeah. So when they join, min plus ma is mimma. From what Allah created the human being. With what? Yeah. Khalaqahu min tin. Bima qatalta al-hayya.
Bima means by what?
Yeah, with what he killed the,
snake.
The hayya is hen?
Al-hayyata is snake.
It's a snake, yeah. With what did he kill the snake? Qataltuha bil hajar. He killed it with a stone.
Correct.
Lima kharajta min al fasli. Why did he exit the class?
Why did you?
Why did you exit from the class?
Right.
Kharajtu li annani marizun. I left because I am sick.
Correct.
Amma bahashta fil madrasa. About what? Bahashta fil madrasa.
To search. What are you searching for in the school?
Bahasta is what? Discussion?
No, bahatha yabahatho means to discuss and also comes in meaning to search, to find something, to look for something.
Yeah, Amma. About what did you research in the school?
Search meaning it's not research, search meaning bahatha yabahatho means to look for something. So bahathu ansa, I was looking.
About what did you look for in the school? Bahastu an sa'ati. I was looking for my watch.
Correct.
Amma sa'alta al-mudarrisu. About what did you ask the teacher?
Mhm.
سألته عن الامتحان. I asked him regarding the tests, the exams.
Excellent. جزاك الله. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وأجل فرجهم. Right, this is enough for today, inshallah. And inshallah, what I'll do at the 13 and 14, I'll go through it quickly next session, and inshallah, we will start the next lesson itself. So the next lesson is lesson number 10, and hopefully that will be the last lesson of the book as well. So mashallah, Sister Parvina Razai in particular, and Sister Gulshan, mashallah, and Farida as well, all three of you. Despite the challenges, mashallah, you've come to the end of the book as well. Of course, Sister Razi as expected, because she's a teacher and she, mashallah, is quite active. So we expect you to go through this book easily, inshallah. So inshallah, we'll revise this book for about 3 weeks, and I'll go through all of the verbs in the whole book, so that you become much more confident of all the weak verbs in this book as well, inshallah. Okay, before we move on to the next book.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Jazakallah. So inshallah, if anyone wants to join in tonight, I'm starting I'm resuming again the